Hello, everybody. Today is May the 7th, 2020. Today, I would like to share you the market report for real estate in April 2020. And these data is provided by Toronto Real Estate Board as of the May the 5th. So as you can see, the number of the sales is down 67% to 2,975, and the average sold price is still a little bit up, 0.1% at about $822,000. It's average sold price in Toronto, and average dorm, that means the listing on the market and before it's sold, it is almost the same as the last year, April, and the new listing is down 64% at 6,174. So overall, the number of the sales and the new listings were down because of the COVID-19 and the pandemic. Most of the business were closed, and most people stay at home, and the economy is kind of a little bit, it's kind of shutting down, so it had a big impact on real estate market. And but if we look at the semi-detached in 401 and 905 area, it's still 4% increase for the 416 area, which is Toronto area, and 905 areas is surrounding the GTA area. It's still up 4.2%, which is a semi-detached house. And townhousing, you can see townhousing at 416 area, it's up 3.5%, and 905 area is up 4.4%, which means townhousing, the prices and the changes are still it's very positive. And for detached and condominiums, the 416 area, Toronto area, actually it's down 4%, and 905 area is up 1.5%. So overall, you can see the people are still looking for the price. It's moderate, not too high, not too low. So in the middle, the price range is between 600 up to $1 million, semi-detached. So townhousing and semi-detached housing are more popular during this pandemic, and people are still looking for the good deals for living. So, but for condominiums, because most of the condo buyers are investors, so they tend of looking for the market to see how it goes, and then it costs, and it resulted as a little bit down. But 905 area condominium is still up 1.5%. It's because people they want living. They don't want living downtown. They couldn't afford in downtown condos, and they moved to surrounding area. That's why condominium in 905 area is still a little bit up, but not dramatically. But for detached, if it's over $1 million or like high-end luxury detached home, it's quite slow, and it's down 7.5 at Toronto area, and it's down 0.8% at 905 area. So far, this is April 2020's market report, and we can see the market, it is down for sure, but gradually, and some areas still keep steady, and some areas still a little bit up, which means, and there are still rooms for investors, and for primary living, people still want change. If they want just investment, they can kind of hold of it. But if they want to, they have to sell the current one for some reasons in certain areas. So the sales activity is still keep on, and so we have to keep optimistic with all economies, because this week in Toronto, the Ontario government announced some of the essential business like gardening, seasonal stores, and start from next week, all the stores has separate entrance outside. They are allowed to open start from next week. So the economy is gradually getting better. Then I hope next week, or we can see that in the next couple of months. So the real estate market should pick up slowly. It won't be dramatically increased, but it can be slowly increased. So if you have further questions about your areas, how's the housing price and investment opportunities, anything related to real estate, and you can call me. My contact information showing below. Welcome to subscribe my channel, and my name is Rhonda. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you